How long have you been working towards this moment?
It's been about 6 months by now. 6 months, almost 7 months.
Dang. All right, go for it.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger.
Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you.
All right, guys. Richard just got his ECU, and it has a what? A baseline tune.
It's got the basics going on.
This dog will not let me pet it.
As far as specs go, it's.
All right, hold on.
You can come check it out. Come check it out. Marty, cool.
Here.
It's 439 cubic inch, so it's a stroker. It's got a stage 3 cam in it, intake, long tubes.
It's a mean machine,
Yeah. Pain in my ass.
and it's straight pipe right now.
Yeah.
This is about to be fun.
Marty, check that please.
So he brought his bought mufflers because the
This
car
shit is too loud.
shit's too loud, and he doesn't want to run it without mufflers. It's a nuisance to the society here. But yeah, 7 liter. Now it's a 7.2. You said?
7.2.
Woo! So where does your ECU go?
It's over here.
Let's check this out.
It's got 2 plugs, a bunch of pins, 2 connectors right here, and then it hangs up like so inside the fender.
Inside the fender. Cool. Your battery charge and everything?
Yeah. Everything's disconnected. I'm not dealing with another dead battery again. Not after last time.
That rear end though. Have you said your tires were how wide again?
They're 345 on the back.
345 in the back.
275?
In the front.
285? 285 on front.
Damn, 345. Sheesh. As you guys know, I got my new wheels and I'm rocking 315s, and I thought I was wide boy. Come over to Richard's house and
Always somebody that does it better.
someone does it better, yeah.
Usually a Chevy.
So guys, this thing had 505 horsepower stock, and it weighs 3,100 pounds. It's got a stage 3 cam now, headers, and a driver mod, right?
We're gonna see about that driver mod. I haven't updated to the newest software.
Okay, we need a software flash on the driver, but nonetheless, you're hoping for how much power, you said?
We're gonna be looking at about 600 of the wheels.
600 of the wheels. All right. Mustang dyno or dyno jet?
That'll be dyno jet.
Dyno jet.
Dyno jet numbers.
Alright guys, I'm gonna catch you when we're ready to go ahead and start this thing. We're gonna just connect some things here, get it all ready to go. I'm gonna check the blinker fluid. Alright, the wheel's back on.
Hold on. I still got a battery.
It's so low that you gotta toss some blocks underneath it. Ooh boy. How low can you go? And that's sitting on blocks.
That's sitting on blocks.
Oh, you took both of them off?
Yeah.
You're
Left
playing games, huh?
Oh. And the alarm's going off! Except I don't have a horn.
That's convenient. Right now, right? Okay guys, moment of truth. We're very close. Your roommates are awake?
Huh?
Your roommates are awake?
Yep.
Alright. How long have you been working towards this moment?
It's been about 6 months by now. 6 months, almost 7 months.
Dang. Alright, go for it. was so loud. My ears are ringing from that rev you did.
Thanks for tuning in.
Wow, that was ridiculous. Chop chop. All right, guys. See you later. Peace out.
How are your ears?
Dude, I was not expecting that. I thought that was as loud as it got. Then you did that rev, and like my ears like actually vibrated in the eardrum. That was crazy. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you leave a like on it. If you want to see more of this Corvette, then Richard's gonna be making a channel soon. I'll let you guys know when he does. Next video, we're probably gonna take a ride, right? Go for the first little drive in it. But yeah, until then, see you guys later. Peace.
Yeah.